Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today I'm before you with so many opportunities which is open now. So it is for so much branches, like all branches can watch this video because it is for different branches I've bought here. So now let's get started to the video. Before that, if you like this channel, please do like this video, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest so that you don't miss any of the opportunities that we are putting forward to you. Now let's get started. Before that, I would like to introduce you something that we have opened. I have already said introduced to you that we are opened a 21 days of crash course in aptitude, reasoning, and pseudo coding, which is a complete package on online assessment test for CAMSMini and TCS. It's not only for them, but this is mainly basically for them because next month they've scheduled their online assessment test. So it has started on April 9th and it's ending on 30th April. You can make your enrollment in between that. So time will be 9:30 to 10:30 and the 7 to 8 p.m. on two different aspects. So try on coding, all that will be handled by Soumya ma'am, and aptitude and reasoning will be handled by Pratik sir. And we are charging rupees 249 for this. It's a lowest package for all these useful things for you. So this is very good opportunity for you to get trained and attend your career test, the first stage of every selection process fruitfully. So make use of this opportunity. You can get this from our application. Links will be there in the description box given below. So now let's get started this video. The link to apply for all these jobs will be there in the description box. You can check it there. Now let's start with the first one, which was Harman, a Samsung company. So they are making the opening. They are in system engineer Bangalore. So to apply for that, you can go to this link. Before that, let's check what are the eligible criteria and all that things. So what will you do? Your hands-on with bash scripting are excellent on a Python. So you'll be handling Python there. You are in element of Unix, Linux environment. You can create shell or Python scripts for automating tasks. You can use make to compile packages from source with static or dynamic dependencies as necessary. You can handle or replace or upgrade packages on a virtual appliances. You can deal with intent system configuration. And so basically from this, we can get to know that you are handling with a, one of the important technical programming language Python, and the operating system Linux, Unix, and all that. And you will be handling with so much of automated programs functioning, all that. You will be getting hands-on database system. You'll be working on a virtual appliances and all that. So you can get all the details from there. This is basically they're looking for, or this is the basic responsibilities you will be handling. And what you need is same as what you do, that you must know the knowledge in all the things what you are going to do when you get employed there. So that's what they're looking forward. System, since it's a system engineer, it is basically for computer science students. They have mentioned engineering, system engineer. So basically it's for engineering students. Have masters in CS, IT, and related computer science streams can have it a try, can make your try. I mean, you can apply and look whether you will be getting or not. So to apply this, you can click the apply now link, and you can fill this form like first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, contact number, email address, phone, passport number, and all. This passport number is not a mandatory field since it's not marked that asterisk character. So if you have, you can mention, else you can skip that field. And after that, they have asked for the educational details like education, institution, year of passing, graduate percentage. So if you're a master's student or a graduate student, whatever it is, you can apply it with all the details given. And city, location, total experience. If you have any experience, you can provide that relevant experience, present employer. If not, current CTC. I mean, if you are a employee, I mean, it is not a starred field, so it is not such mandatory, but still, if you have the knowledge, if you have those fields to be filled in your profile, then you can go for it, and you can attach a field. You can choose a browse and choose a file from your system. So this is how you have to go for Harman, which is the Samsung company, and how you have to go to apply for that. Okay, so after that you can submit and you can make your response there. So this is how you have to go for this. So next we'll be discussing about the Aditya Birla Group. They are making their recruitment session. So they are looking for TM business management trainee on location Bengaluru. And yes, well, let's look for the criteria. Okay, the skills you must have, personal skills, strength section, your resume and all that, you should make sure that you include these points, because this is how they validate your profile and they accept your candidature and move further. Okay, so these skills must be there in your resume as well. When you submit the profile here, just communicates to influence and engage, develops self and teamwork and collaborate, selling skills. Basically, they're looking forward for a marketing profession. So if you have the skills related to that in management, you can apply. And qualification, they have not mentioned anything. Any graduate can develop, apply for that. It is not particularly for a management students or science students. It's for everyone. Costing related knowledge in store, undertaking store operations and retail business, manufacturing exposure, projects in back end, front end accounting. So this is basically they're looking forward for logistic management. So this is all you have to come up with. Now, minimum years of experience, they're looking forward 0 to 1 years of experience. And this is all about Aditya. You can go to this link and apply for this job. So I think it's clear for you. This is open for any of the candidates and used to questions like, can we apply for this job? We are from this branch and batch. So this is for, they're not mentioned which batch, I mean, which batch pass out students. So anyone can give it a try. Now let's go to the other, which is CGI. They are looking forward for the Python developer, category development or engineering. City is Bangalore. Employment is full-time. Position is Python. So you must have a skill in Python, Oracle, SQL, PL SQL. After that, they have given the details regarding what you are. If you are interested, you can go to this link and make your response there. So this is basically for engineering students, since Python developer, they have mentioned there. Okay, so here you have to, if you're a new applicant, if you have already registered your profile in this career section of CGI, then you can just apply for this by providing your email address and password. You can go for that. Else, if you are a new candidate, you have to provide your email ID and country, and you have to create a profile. Okay, so I have logged in with giving my mail ID and the country which I referred to work on. So this is the profile section. So you can upload your resume from this local file from your system or Dropbox or Google Drive. And the file type you have to mention here, and you can attach the document and save and continue. This is the first phase of application in careers. Okay, so I have uploaded resume in this section, and you can have a look at it. Now we have completed the first stage of registration, and next we'll be going to the other where you have to select your document was successful, and now you can go for the save and continue. Okay, so next they'll be asking to create your profile, where you have to fill your personal details and get started so that you can give. Okay, now let's be starting with, you have to give your password and all the details. After that, you can go for the first name and your country live in and all that. Randomly, we'll be making this entries. You have to give your authentic data, which is there in your certificates. And after that, we can go like, I consider consent to receiving the CGI candidate communications by email to assist. I mean, to get the email communication done, you can check this box out. And I don't wish to subscribe my email address to CGI candidate communication. You can go for this if you are. And skill selections, you can make your skills there. You have to select any random skills. I mean, what you are experienced in. Don't give the false skills, because they'll be asking that in the interview session. You have mentioned the skills, so what about that and all. So try to give the right data, and after that, you can accept this disclaimer and save and continue the steps. This is how you have to go. You have to fill your profile and you have to submit your profile. Okay, so hence you have to complete all these stages like 3, 4, 5 and all that details. They'll be asking your personal details and your graduation details, your schooling details and all the details. So you can have a look at it and complete your process. Now we'll be moving to the other one, which is which is Thinkitive. So they are hiring for trainee software engineer. Their eligibility criteria is bachelor's in engineering technology, master's in engineering or technology, specialized in computer science, information technology, or MCA pass out in the year 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 batches. So from 2018 to till today, who are there to pass out for them, and skills required are strong communication and interpersonal skills, problem solving approach, software development, programming, data structures, front-end knowledge. So these are the eligible criteria they're looking forward for, or these are the skills they're looking forward for. And job description is you'll be a strong problem solving skills, should be a quick learner, candidates who have no good knowledge of logical and designing concepts, fundamental C, C++, OOPS concept is a must, knowledge of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS is required, front-end CSS frameworks like Foundation of Bootstrap, good to have knowledge of Spring and Angular framework, good understanding of JavaScript, familiarity with database, defect fixing, and performance optimization. So these are the job descriptions that you will be performing these operations while you are an employee at Thinkitive. So interview process is held in 5 process, like first is online assessment test, which is a coding test. After that, you have a first round of technical interview. Second, you will be having the second round of a technical interview. Next, you'll be having managerial or logical round. After that, finally, you'll be attending the HR round. So these are selection process, and you can go to apply link to apply for this job. So after that, you can fill this form, name, your gender, email address, qualification, specialization, graduation course, your percentage, total percentage. Graduation aggregate percentage is complete percentage. Your if you're an MCA student, then 8 semesters, 5 semester engineering students, you have to add, or you have to include all the subjects and all the semesters and find the aggregate percentage. If you're a 2021 pass out, you have to go for you have to add till the recently published results and give your percentage here. And you have to provide the hometown location. These start fields are mandatory fields. You should never miss it, because you won't be completing your registration. And you can give your contact number. If you have any site name, you can provide that as well. After that, you can browse and submit. You can browse and select your resume or cover letter and submit for the job. So this is basically you have to go for how to do in Thinkitive. Next, we'll be looking forward for McAfee. So let's discuss the eligible criteria, all the details. They're looking for an internship position, which is a technical intern, and primary location is Bangalore. And to apply this, you can go to this apply now link. Before that, let's look what are the eligible criteria and all the details. So since they're looking forward for a technical intern, they are looking forward for a college graduate in bachelor's in engineering, bachelor's in technology, MCA in computers with a CGPA of 7 or and above. That is CGPA of 7 and above and equivalent percentage. Okay, if you are calculating your total marks in percentage, you have to go for equivalent percentage. And these are the roles that you'll be handling getting into that position. So you must be skilled in that, like develop applications, like coding, programming. You will be developing so much application apps. So feature implementation to existing products, requirements gathering, excellent analytical and mathematics skill, ability to work independently and as a team depending on task, experience programming in C, C++ or Java. So these is the responsibilities being there you have to perform. So now let's look for the apply now button and make your application done. So here you'll be having this where you have to provide your email address and password if you have already created a profile out. If not, you can go to this link and create an account. You can provide this email address, password, and verify your password. After that, you can create an account and fill your profile details, like all the details and your graduation detail, your personal details and all that, and get started with it. Okay, so now let's look for the other one, which is Optima. So they are hiring for the software engineer in Hyderabad, and you can apply here with this link. So before that, let's go for the qualifications and eligible criteria they're looking forward for. So undergraduate degree or equivalent experience, TB2 700 certification, strong skills in COBOL, DB2, JCL, strong experience in production support in mainframe applications, able to work in DevOps environment, flexible and ready to face the challenges, ready to work in shifts as per the need, strong analytical skills and good knowledge in mainframe technologies, COBOL, DB2, JCL, knowledge of working in agile projects, knowledge of how to run the test cycles for development projects, basic understanding of different test cycles. So these are the basic qualifications or eligible criteria they're looking forward for. They're looking forward in country in full-time job. It's a day job, and you can apply it by clicking the apply now button. After that, you have to sign in. If you already registered your profile, you can sign in with the equivalent username and password. Else you have to create your profile and get started with it, where you have to give your personal profile details, and you can give your personal profile details, your graduation details, and create your profile in the website and apply for this job. So this is how you have to go for this particular position in United Health Groups. Now let's discuss for the other, which is PayPal. So PayPal is hiring for the software engineer position. Let's discuss the eligible criteria and all that. So they have mentioned it is for only 2020 and 2021 graduates only. Okay, so it is only for 2020 and 2021. So we'll be giving the first preference to that. If other sources submitted, they may not be accepting it as well. So job responsibilities, understanding of code products and organization, develop prototypes and stimulations in innovative improvements to the services, infrastructure and functionality, focused on developing code. Code is a well commented and typically improves after one or more code reviews. Will be involved in discussion with senior lead and architects about the development plan and design, produces code that is sufficiently supported by test units, has a basic understanding of technical concept required for specialized field, work with engineers and other core functional teams, including research, project management, quality assurance, operations, etc., to develop great software that meets market's need with respect to functionally reliable performance scalability. So these are the responsibilities they're looking forward for. And next, you can click this apply now link. They are looking forward for the software engineer. So engineering graduates can have a look at it. You will be reaching such a page where you have to sign in. If you have already registered to PayPal, then you can register with that. Else, you can create your own account and get registered with it. So this is how we have to register for this. In random, I have picked some of them and explained how to register with the candidate portal page. So this is common in everywhere. That is, they'll be asking your personal details, your graduation details, your skill sets, and they'll be asking you to upload your resume or cover letter and all that. So this is same everywhere. You can click that apply link button and go to that page. So if you have any queries regarding this, you can let us know in the comment section. So until I come up with another video regarding the openings, stay tuned to Online Study for You. Thank you and have a great day.